I'm happy, I'm excited. It's a development that has been long in coming, because from about 4 years ago, we always heard, oh, he's coming, he's coming. I've attended several meetings to prepare for his coming. It's taken this long, but we are happy that it eventually happened. And the reason is very simple. I, as a person, went into politics in Cross River because I thought the only way that Cross River could develop was by aligning Cross River with the center. Cross River doesn't have the strength or the resources to be in opposition. We don't have it. We can't afford it. So for me, at least now, the state is being aligned with the center. So we are not likely to be as exposed and as vulnerable as our situation ordinarily should be. So that is a major...
The Cross River was at the center for 16 years under PDP.
Yes.
So, what has changed?
How did it fare when it was under PDP? How did it fare when it was in opposition? And don't forget that, yes, even though we are under PDP, but the most brutal losses we suffered as a state were under PDP, even though we were mainstream. So it could have been worse then if we were in opposition. Don't forget that it was while the state was in PDP that we lost Bakassi, a substantial part, the richest part of our territory, to the Kebbi Roads. Don't forget that it was under a PDP government that Cross River State also lost her 76 oil wells. So that is when we were mainstreamed, when we were part of the federal system. So you can imagine then, if we were in opposition and these debacles happened, we would have been obliterated if we were in opposition. What saved us was that, look, we are part of the federal government. So now, without Bakassi, without 76 oil wells, and you say you are in opposition, that is a death wish. You are on a suicide mission. And there is nobody who is in politics in Nigeria today who is in politics because he wishes death for his or her people. You are in politics today so that you can negotiate for the part of the resources and opportunities that the country holds, so that you can negotiate for your own people. So at least today, when the APC governors, who are governors of the party in power, are at table, our governor will also be there.
The governor said part of why he's leaving the PDP is because there's no internal party democracy. Do you think that's true?
Well, I was evicted from the PDP. I was thrown out, even though I was Senate leader at the time, and leader of the caucus of the National Assembly and a member of the National Caucus, So there's clearly no internal leadership. So having been a victim of the lack of internal leadership in PDP, our hope and our prayer is that he will be coming over to APC with a determination to entrench internal party democracy so that others do not suffer what he suffered in PDP.